In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resume browsing session on Google Chrome. If you want Chrome to reopen the tabs you were using the last time you closed the browser, this setting makes the process very simple. It's especially useful if you regularly work with multiple tabs and don't want to manually find and reopen everything each time you start Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully launched and that you can see the main Chrome window before moving on. This setting is built directly into Chrome, so you won't need to install anything extra or change any advanced options. Once Chrome is open, go to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots. This opens the main Chrome menu, where you can access a variety of browser settings and tools. If you don't immediately see what you need, just take a moment to look through the menu carefully. From that menu, click Settings. This will open the Chrome settings page, where you can customize how the browser behaves. Depending on your version of Chrome, the layout may look slightly different, but the setting you need should still be available in the left side menu or within the main settings area. Next, click on Startup. This section controls what Chrome does every time you launch the browser. It's where you decide whether Chrome opens a new tab page, loads a specific set of pages, or brings back your previous session. In the Startup section, click Continue where you left off. Once this option is selected, Chrome will automatically reopen the tabs from your last browsing session the next time you start the browser. That means if you close Chrome and open it again later, your previously opened tabs should come back without you needing to search for them again. This can be a great time saver if you use Chrome for work, study, research, or just everyday browsing. Keep in mind that Chrome will only restore the session if the browser was able to close normally, so it's a good idea to close the browser properly whenever possible. And that's it. After enabling this setting, Chrome should remember your last open tabs and restore them the next time you launch it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you make your browsing experience smoother and more convenient.